Hello everyone, this is Jeff Guitar TV in the house and this is your Bodessa. So yun guys, just follow my page, Bodessa TV and Jeff Guitar TV. So we will try to give you a special song. We will try this one. Actually, first na namin to ng collab ng ito ay, ang title nito ay Wag na wag mo sasabihin. We will try na acoustic to. So kung may request kayo, just comment below. We will try to sing it for you. God bless. Talk about sabihin, ba't di mapagaling, di makatingin, sana'y wag mo na to palipasin. Subukan kasi na kaya sinabi mo na iba na dapat sa akin. Ang tunay ko makita ang langit ang dali, kaya sinabi mo na ibang dapat sa akin. At tunay ko wag na wag mong sasabihin. This is our first music for now.